SD Special Duties work in World War II. Well, that was a true treat. And incidentally, Lee Proudfoot, who was flying the ARC Lysander there, he, along with John Romain, the boss of the Aircraft Restoration Company, holds a unique distinction. He has flown all three Foots aeroplane, which is now with Kermit Weeks, which was operated by the ARC, and of course he was flying this new restoration. Well, now on to something very different. We've got the Super Cub with the EoN primary climbing to height, and in front of us the Compa CLA-7 Swift.
Pelagical lab in the boys' wing. I've built three designs. The CLA-3 won the speed trials in 1925 at 87 miles an hour, and they inspired the Compa which you see before you. It was designed around the revolutionary Pobjoy 7-cylinder geared radial.
Was a certain Frank Whittle. Quite a contrast between the man who became the father of the jet engine and the man who became the father of this little...
In 1933 in Delhi, and it finished 6th in the second fastest time at 124 miles an hour. It crashed while returning to the UK. It was rebuilt by George Errington and registered in May 1934. He flew it all over the UK until selling to Frank Luxmore in 1937, and it passed a Ron Clear in 1948, who groomed it again for racing. Purchased
some very impressive performance in its day. Charles Butler flew one from England to Australia in record time, taking 9 days, 2 hours 29 minutes to reach Darwin from his starting point at Lymm. A performance, it must be said, not to be demonstrated by the EoN primary, which has just been released above us.
We'll just let you watch this. Yeah, wasn't that just wonderful? Richard Crockett out there